Stop throwing away that can of shaving cream when it runs low. You've been wasting one of the most powerful cleaning agents sitting in your bathroom this whole time. Most people grab it, use it for one thing, and never think twice. But what if I told you that shaving cream can clean things in your home that even expensive store-bought products can't touch? We're talking carpet stains that have been sitting for years, mirrors that fog up every single morning, bathroom grout that looks like it's been there since 1987. Shaving cream handles all of it, and it does it fast, without harsh chemicals, without scrubbing until your arm gives out. Here's what most people don't know. Shaving cream contains a surfactant blend that breaks down grease, oils, and grime on a molecular level. It was literally engineered to lift and separate. That's exactly why it works so well on surfaces you'd never expect. We're going to go through 17 hacks today. Some of these will save you money, some will save you hours, and the last one, almost nobody knows, but it works instantly. Also, if mold has been driving you absolutely crazy and nothing seems to make it go away for good, you probably missed something important. We just broke it all down in our last video. Don't scrub that mold. Try this natural hack that makes it leave forever. Most people are actually making the mold problem worse by scrubbing it. That video shows you exactly what to do instead, and it changes everything. Now, let's get into it. Hack number 1, the carpet stain that won't die. You know that stain, the one you've scrubbed 15 times, the one you've poured half a bottle of cleaner on. It's still there, mocking you every time you walk by. Here's where most people go wrong. They use water first, and water actually pushes the stain deeper into the carpet fibers. That's the mistake. Instead, spray or apply a generous amount of shaving cream directly onto the dry stain. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then blot with a clean white cloth from the outside edges inward. The shaving cream lifts the stain up and out instead of pushing it further in. Wipe away any residue with a damp cloth and let it dry. The stain is gone, not faded, gone. And if you've got a stain that's been there for years, do this twice. You will not believe what comes up. Tip number 3 is where most people's minds get blown. Keep watching. Hack number 2, foggy bathroom mirror fix. Every single morning you step out of the shower, the mirror is completely fogged up. You wave your hand at it, you wait, you wipe it with a towel and leave streaks everywhere. Here's the truth. Wiping a foggy mirror does nothing long term. The fog comes back tomorrow. Apply a thin layer of shaving cream to your mirror and buff it in with a dry cloth until it disappears completely. You won't see any residue, but what's happening is the shaving cream creates an invisible barrier on the glass that prevents moisture from sticking. Your mirror will stay clear after your next 5 to 10 showers, and when it starts fogging again, just reapply. This takes 30 seconds. That's it. This is the same trick professional swimmers use on their goggles. Now you're using it at home. Hack number 3, grout lines that look brand new. This is the one. This is where people stop and rewind the video. Grout lines turn gray, then brown, then basically black. People buy expensive grout cleaners. They rent steam cleaners. They still can't get them fully clean. Apply shaving cream directly into the grout lines. Grab an old toothbrush, scrub in a circular motion for about 60 seconds per section. The foam activates and gets deep into the porous surface of the grout. Rinse with warm water. The grout lines go white again. Not lighter, not a little better, white again. Here's the mistake most everyone makes though. They rinse too fast. Let the shaving cream sit for at least 3 minutes before scrubbing. That extra time is what makes the difference between okay results and jaw-dropping results. Hack number 4, chrome fixtures that actually shine. Your faucets and shower heads are covered in water spots and that dull film. You've wiped them, you've used glass cleaner, they look okay for a day and then go right back to dull. Rub a small amount of shaving cream onto chrome surfaces. Let it sit for 2 minutes, then wipe off with a microfiber cloth. The chrome doesn't just look clean, it looks brand new. The shaving cream polishes as it cleans, and it leaves behind a very light protective layer that repels water spots for weeks. You'll literally wonder why no one told you this before. Hack number 5, squeaky door hinges gone in seconds. This one surprises everyone. You've been spraying WD-40, hunting for that oil can, dealing with the mess. There's a faster way. Apply a small dab of shaving cream directly onto the hinge. Open and close the door a few times to work it in. That's it. The hinge goes silent. Shaving cream works as a temporary but very effective lubricant. No oily drips, no smell. This works on cabinet hinges, drawer rails, and even window tracks that stick. But wait until you hear what it does for leather. That's coming up in a few tips, and it's completely unexpected. Hack number 6, cleaning your toilet seat like a pro. Most people spray cleaner and wipe. That's fine for the surface, but it misses everything in the hinges, the crevices, and the underside edges where bacteria actually hide. Apply shaving cream generously across the entire toilet seat, top and bottom. Use a brush or old cloth to work it into every crevice. Let it sit for 3 minutes, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. The foamy texture gets into every tight spot that a flat cloth misses, and the cleaning agents inside the shaving cream break down bacteria, soap scum, and grime all at once. Your toilet seat will look and feel hospital-grade clean every single time. Hack number 7. This is where things get crazy. Shoe scuffs. The black marks on your white sneakers or on your floors that never come off. Here's the mistake everyone makes. They scrub dry. Scrubbing a scuff mark dry just spreads it around and sometimes makes it darker. You need something that lubricates and lifts at the same time. Apply shaving cream directly to the scuff mark on your shoe or on your floor. Rub gently in a small circle with a soft cloth. Watch the scuff lift right off within 30 seconds. This works on leather shoes, vinyl floors, rubber soles, and even walls where furniture has left dark marks. If you have kids and your walls look like a racetrack, this is your new best friend. Hack number 8. The windshield fog problem nobody talks about. You get in your car in the morning, the windows fog up immediately. You're blasting the defrost, wiping with your sleeve, running late. This is the same principle as the bathroom mirror, but it works even better on car glass. Apply a thin coat of shaving cream to the inside of your windshield and all side windows. Buff it in completely with a clean microfiber cloth until there's no visible residue. It should look completely clear. Your windows will not fog up for weeks, not even on cold mornings. This is the same technique used by ski instructors and snowmobile racers for their helmet visors, and it costs you about 20 cents worth of shaving cream. Hack number 9. Removing stickers and labels completely. You peel a sticker off a jar or a surface, that sticky residue stays behind. You pick at it, you scratch it, you try rubbing alcohol. It's still there, slightly sticky, collecting dust and lint. Apply shaving cream over the residue. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Rub with your fingers in a circular motion. The residue rolls right off. The foam breaks down the adhesive without damaging the surface underneath. Works on glass, plastic, wood, and metal. No scratching, no chemical smell, no mess. Hack number 10. Deep clean your oven door glass. The inside of your oven door glass gets that baked-on brown haze that regular oven cleaner barely touches, and you can't really scrub it hard because you don't want to damage the glass. Apply a thick layer of shaving cream across the inside of the oven door glass. Close the door and let it sit for 15 minutes. Open it up and wipe with a damp microfiber cloth. The glass comes clean. That hazy brown baked-on film lifts off with almost no effort. You can see through your oven door like it's brand new. Almost nobody knows this one, and once you try it, you'll never use anything else. Hack number 14. Bathroom sink drain that smells terrible. Most people pour things down the drain, trying to fix the smell. The problem is that the smell is coming from buildup on the walls of the drain, not deep in the pipe. Squeeze a generous amount of shaving cream directly into the drain, let it sit for 10 minutes, then run warm water. The shaving cream clings to the walls of the drain as it slowly slides down. It lifts the biofilm, hair product buildup, and soap scum that's causing the odor. The warm water flushes it all away. Do this once a week, and your bathroom will smell noticeably cleaner. Guests will wonder what you're doing differently. Hack number 14. But here's the mistake most people make with jewelry. People put their rings and bracelets in harsh chemical cleaners that can actually damage certain stones and metals over time. They also use toothpaste, which is slightly abrasive and can scratch soft metals. Shaving cream is gentle enough for most jewelry, but still cuts through the oils and grime that make rings look dull. Place your ring or bracelet in a small bowl. Apply shaving cream and use a soft toothbrush to gently scrub all surfaces, including the setting underneath the stone where oils collect. Rinse under warm water and dry with a soft cloth. Your jewelry will sparkle like the day you bought it. This is especially effective for gold and silver. Use this before any important occasion, and the difference is stunning. Hack number 5. Leather couch scuffs and surface stains. Here's where people mess up with leather. They use water-based cleaners or they scrub too hard and they damage the surface finish. Leather is porous and delicate. Shaving cream is pH neutral and contains moisturizing agents that are actually good for leather. Apply a small amount to the scuffed or stained area. Gently work it in with your fingertips using small circles. Let it sit for 1 minute. Buff with a dry, soft cloth. The scuff disappears and the leather feels conditioned and looks polished. This works on sofas, car interiors, leather jackets, and leather bags. This is what the professionals use. Now you know. Hack number 14. Cleaning keyboard keys and remote controls. Your keyboard and TV remote are absolutely covered in skin oils, crumbs, and bacteria. Regular wipes leave them greasy. Spraying liquids directly on them can damage the electronics. Apply a tiny amount of shaving cream to a cloth, not directly onto the keyboard. Wipe gently across the keys. The foam picks up all the oils and grime without pushing moisture into the gaps. The keys come out clean, matte, and looking fresh. This also works beautifully on game controllers that get sticky from constant use. Hack number 15. This is where it changes everything in your bathroom. Soap scum on your shower walls is one of the most frustrating things to clean because it hardens and bonds to tile and glass. Commercial soap scum removers have strong fumes and often require gloves. Cover your shower walls with shaving cream. Use a squeegee or a cloth to spread it evenly. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. The soap scum slides right off. The surfactants in the shaving cream dissolve the fatty acids in soap scum, which is literally what it was engineered to do. Your shower walls will be clear and clean. Do this once every 2 weeks, and soap scum will never build up again. Hack number 16. WD-40 is overrated for zipper problems. Stuck zipper on your jacket, your bag, your luggage. Most people grab WD-40, which leaves an oily stain on the fabric. Run a small amount of shaving cream along the zipper teeth with your finger. Work the zipper back and forth a few times. It moves smoothly and freely. No oil stain, no mess. The lubrication from the shaving cream works instantly, and it won't damage the fabric around the zipper at all. Works on metal and plastic zippers. Now for the last one. This one almost nobody knows about, but once you try it, you will use it every single week. Hack number 17. Your microwave interior in under 2 minutes. Your microwave is probably a disaster inside. Splattered tomato sauce, hardened cheese, that mystery explosion from 3 weeks ago that you've been avoiding. Spray shaving cream all over the interior surfaces of the microwave, top, sides, bottom, and the inside of the door. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Every single bit of splattered food lifts off effortlessly. The shaving cream softens and loosens everything in those 5 minutes. You don't need to scrub at all. You just wipe, and it's done. Your microwave interior looks showroom clean in under 2 minutes total. This works because the foam stays in contact with the dried food rather than dripping off like a spray cleaner would have. This is the one people send to their friends after they try it. All right. Let's quickly run through what you just learned. Shaving cream kills carpet stains without pushing them deeper. It keeps your mirrors and car windows fog-free for weeks. It turns gray grout white again. It cleans leather without damage. It fixes squeaky hinges, stuck zippers, and sticker residue in seconds. It deep cleans your toilet, your shower walls, your jewelry, your keyboard, and your microwave without any harsh chemicals. You just leveled up your entire cleaning routine with something that costs $2 at the dollar store. You're not doing this the hard way anymore. Now, here's something most people don't realize. The same kind of natural, unexpected cleaning power applies to something sitting right in your kitchen too, And what most people don't know is that it actually cleans better than most chemical products you'd buy at the store. It dissolves buildup, kills bacteria, and removes stains in ways that will genuinely shock you. That's exactly what we break down in our next video, 19 lemon and salt hacks that clean better than chemicals. Once you see what these two things do together, you'll never look at your kitchen the same way again. Go watch it right now. You're not going to want to wait on this one.